Welcome back to Name That Sound with me, your host Nikolai, and our contestant today.
Hi, I'm Oliver.
What's your last name?
Oliver Closeoff.
Alright, so we've got all of our clothes off. Let's get to that first sound. Lights off. Oink, 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 oink.
Show me banana?
Correct! And now on for our second sound. Lights off. There's your sound.
Is it Ryan sniffing glue?
Correct! 2 for 2 so far, one away from that prize. Now let's get to that last sound of the day. Lights off. There's your sound.
Is it White Boy dropping it?
Congratulations, Oliver Closeoff. Looks like you won yourself a big prize. I know what you like. It's a Kool-Aid. Yes. See you next time.